once, squeeze twice, squeeze it nice, squeeze it, so slow, so slow. Squeeze it, watch it glow. Squishy dumpling, squeeze it real slow. Squishy dumpling, squish,